Hey team, what's going on? Today, for this fight journey, we take a look at conditioning. Now I know we've done it before, but it bears repeating. Of course, we got to warm up first, and here's how Rob likes to warm up, by playing kickball with a medicine ball. I don't know if you guys have ever had these before. Well, listen to me real quick. And just so y'all know, this is not a softball. This is not a basketball. It's not. It's hard. That hurts. That'd probably suck. It probably weighs about, 8 pounds? I think that's what the 8 on there is for. I'm smart. You can tell. Yeah. If this would go in the water, it would sink. This is heavy. It's hard. That's just one of the drills he does. Goes low and then goes high. And those feet are like blades, man. I'm telling you. I'll find out. You'll see here in a second. It comes up. What we're doing now is, obviously, I have no conditioning. Yeah, that sucked. I bruised. I don't bruise.
Mine don't hurt. I did not feel that.
Yeah, I did. I felt it big time. Yeah, look at me. You big dope?
Taishin.
Yeah. It's like rebar for legs. And here, because I haven't learned, I'm going to take some more medicine. It doesn't look like we're going very fast or hard, but we are, dude. Oh, God, it hurt.
Oh, that's it. That's the one.
See? That's the one.
Yep. I feel nothing.
Nor does he feel any remorse or shame for what he did to me. Gosh, like a sucker, I go back. Look at that. Yeah.
This is fun.
I'm dreaming about murdering you and burning your house down. Son of a... I love you too, bro! my arms are haters right now. Thank you.
From my standpoint, it's not just the force that somebody sends you that makes weight classes applicable.
Yeah.
But I have to use so much more energy against him to block his punches, to prepare.
Yeah, I got energy too, pal. Look at that gut. Plenty to spare. Woo, I'm sweating like a cat in a box factory. Mercy. That's why I'm not fast, I just trip. This is kind of a family specialty here. Just being a bull and pushing him around. But that's what he wanted. And basically what he's trying to do is just react to my pressure. The thing is, you don't stop, you keep going, and you adjust. You keep on adjusting, and you don't let up. The idea being that if he can break through me, and if he can last through with some of my size, trying to push me around and get around to my angles, someone not my size, hopefully smaller, someone hopefully in his weight class, he wouldn't have nearly as much trouble, and he'd be able to just get around it that much easier. So yeah, a lot of this also, there's a battle going on the bottom. You can see our legs colliding. That doesn't help the already shattered leg bones I got. That wasn't the femur, the tibias. Tibias. Yeah. Freaking tibia. Mine's jacked up. Well, you saw the footage. I only have myself to blame. Let it be a lesson, kids. The pads, parents too, listen up. The pads, they're not for the person getting kicked. They are for the kicker. And let me just say also, I'm not ashamed to take another man from the rear. That sounded weird, but it's true. I will take you down, sucker. See? I'm trying, and I fail. Rob doesn't like it. He's not submissive that way. Almost. Maybe I should wear gloves and pads. Probably. So anyway, team, thank you so much for watching. This is just a real quick episode because we've kind of covered conditioning before, but there was more to be said. And my body paid the price, but it's fine. That's fine. That's what I'm there for. That is my job as training partner. I'm happy to do it for my brother. Plus, I'm getting stronger and better too. So I mean, while we're all here to get Rob trained up for his fight, really we're all training each other, and that's why we like it here at the gym. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. It doesn't bounce.
Yeah.